So really quick, I just wanted to show you how I did this cute little nail. I don't know if you can see it. I'll insert better pics, but I'm going to show you how I did this. Now, first thing is you need a cat eye. I recommend a glass cat eye. You want to go, you see how the particles move? It's like, it's like glass. So you're gonna activate it all the way around. This is the one that I found works for me. This is a regular like magnet. This is the way mine is positioned. Okay, you see how it slopes upwards? That's what you need. Because if it doesn't have that slope, it's not gonna work. I'm talking about this, not necessarily down here, just this. So you wanna hold your nail straight, and then you're just gonna walk this over, point it a little bit downwards till you get it. There is my heart. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my cylinder, I'm gonna activate on all sides. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna look like that, and then you're gonna just bring that up.